Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the NFC on this watch. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the home button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the menu. Now, let's scroll down through the menu, find the settings icon and then tap on it to enter. In settings, select the connections option. And here, find the option called NFC and tap on it. And now we can enable the NFC by tapping on the switch to flick it on, like this. And once you enable it, you will have the options for the contactless payments. You can select the payment method, only Google Play is available, or rather Google Pay. And you can also enable the option to pay with the open app, and you can tap on others and select different apps that can use the or can open with NFC. Okay, and if you want to disable the NFC, simply tap on this switch right here to disable it. And once you're done, you can press the home button to go back to watch face. You can also enable and disable the NFC through the quick panel, basically. So if you swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, you have different shortcuts right here, and you can swipe left on the screen to go to the last page. And if you don't see the NFC icon on it, you can tap on this plus button. This will open the edit mode, and here you can swipe left, find the NFC icon, this one, tap on it to add it, and it should say NFC added. And once you press the home button or back button, open the quick panel again, you should see the NFC icon on the quick panel, and now you can tap on it to enable the NFC or tap on it again to disable the NFC. And that's how you enable and how you disable the NFC on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.